Do you want to know how to write or draw on a model in Blender like this? Then keep watching because it's actually pretty simple. I'll show you on this model. So let me just quickly get rid of all these grease pencils. She looks so naked now. I actually feel a little embarrassed for her. Okay, sorry. The first thing you want to do is add a new grease pencil and just select blank. And with your grease pencil selected, switch to draw mode. And here's the important part. You want to make sure that the stroke placement is set to surface and that the offset is set to around 0. And honestly, that's about it. Let me quickly show you why the offset matters. Basically, it tells Blender how far away from the object you want the grease pencil. So if it's set too further away, it's still gonna follow the shape of the model, it's just gonna be far away. And around 0 is where it's gonna be kind of sticking to the model. And here's where you can change the color of the pencil. And you can change the size either like this, or you can just press F. Let me know in the comments if you're gonna try this out, and I will link the tablet I use or the pen display in the description if you're interested. And don't forget to like and comment and subscribe, and follow me on social media and on Twitch where I go live. Okay, that's it, bye bye.